Hello everyone, my name is Aiden Frank Superdude and welcome to the hardwood floor once again. We are doing another unboxing. We are unboxing a UMAREX Glock 17 Gen 4. Let's open this bitch up. I cannot wait. I've been waiting a very long time to fucking get this thing. First off, we got our green gas fuel from UMAREX themselves, I believe. An Ammo Max tactical holster. I'm gonna pry this bitch open. It says open here. Fuck. Get the fuck out! What the fuck? Got a instruction manual and what it fits. The holster itself. Who knew it would come with that? And an Allen key, or whatever the fuck this is called. I'm pretty sure an Allen key. The holster, we can adjust it with the Allen key. Right there, you can see a little Allen key hole. This paddle sort of like clips onto your belt. And again, I don't really know too much. I'm not like an avid airsoft player, but I just love airsoft guns, and I'm getting into airsoft, so yeah. Anyway, the last package that we have for today is the Glock box itself. UMAREX Glock 17. Let's open this. Oh, there we go. Okay. The big unveiling. Let's get this. Whoa. And here we fucking go. Oh. Well, there's wrapping. Oh. Is this the barrel? Do I gotta assemble this shit myself? Uh-oh. Nope. Here it is. How do I take this out without killing? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Okay, hold on. Let me grab this bitch out of here. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing is either wet or lubed to fucking shittereens. This feels fucking great, dude. Zoom out a bit. That's zooming in. I'm trying to get you to look down the sights here, but it's kind of hard. Anyway, set this aside safely. I still don't know what this is. I'm gonna keep that in the box for safekeeping. Get back to the Glock, and holy, I fucking love this thing. Yep, right there you can see a Glock. Let me bring this in a little closer. Glock 17 Gen 4, Austria. 9x19, but it does not shoot 9mm. This shoots plastic airsoft BBs. Let's put this bitch in its holster. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so whoa, got a belt on now. You can't see it because I'm out of frame, but basically this has a little paddle on it that releases the Glock, so when you slide it in, it'll click and will not budge out of this thing unless you press down the paddle and bring it out. Very cool system. And I'm gonna put this on my belt. Well, it's not the most tactical belt, but it surely does have its fashion. I have the holster on, and bang. This thing feels fucking great, and boy, am I loving it, because you know me in Red Dead. I love guns. So this feels very cool and very powerful. Again, with the paddle, I gotta, it's sort of a little weird. I kind of gotta put a little weird force on it. It's a little hard to get out, but you know, I'll get over that. I'm not like immediately going to fucking one-hand draws. If my belt was a little tighter, I probably could have pulled this because it just kind of takes the belt with it. So I'd have to do that. I guess that's, you know, not too bad, but otherwise, this thing fucking rocks. And it's fully customizable, so you can go even full Arthur Morgan and put your belt over here, twist it a bit, have your fucking 2 right-hand holsters. I don't know. Again, I don't know too much. All I know is that I fucking love guns, and having this is awesome. Now that you've seen this stuff, let's go shoot it. All right, so we're outside, and we're gonna shoot this bitch, but first, we gotta load up. So let's take it out, pull out our magazine, the gun back in, and let's fill this bitch up.
Hello, I am the Terminator. I've been forced to put on these retarded ass glasses so I don't explode or whatever bullshit.
Safety is the #1 priority.
Safety is number one priority.
Alrighty, so we have filled the magazine and popped the cover back on. Everything is loaded. I hope I did it right. We might explode right here, right now, but here we go. Oh boy. Pretty safe to say that I think it's working. Oh yeah. Oh no, one more. We're out of gas, folks.